You haven't forgotten what you're supposed to be doing for me, have you?
Huh?
I hired you to fix that little issue I'm having. You know how my soul slips out of my body? You said you'd take care of it, remember? You even took my 5-yen coin.
What are you looking at? Okay, kinda weird. How do you know my name? I don't think I've ever met you before. Ah, makes sense. We're in the same testing group. Well, good luck in the shadow world, I guess.
Hey, Weiss, I'm guessing you didn't get my call earlier. Maybe the tower's messing up or something. I mean, there's no way you would get my message and not call me back, right? I mean, that'd be rude. That's ridiculous. You're definitely not, playing those messages for the rest of Team Ruby and laughing and laughing. It's not you. You wouldn't do that. You wouldn't do that, right? That's crazy.
Yeah, right. It's gonna be them. Yeah. Nothing this game at your little combat experiment. It sounds interesting. I'm gonna make pancakes. Think you can help? Don't tell me you forgot about progress. Alright, let's head inside. Are you ready, leader? Besides, I'm curious to see how strong I can get. There's a new threat. A persona uses, just like us. You take on a rule on our leader, and you're stronger than anyone else in your own right. That's more than just being talented. Do you mind if I ask you for something? Where do you get that strength from? Now that I'm watching these again, I can see there's a lot to learn from professional Spanish. Plus, when I do it here, I have someone to discuss things with.
Such good form. You fight with a sense of ease. Fighting me with ice? Ironic. And a waste of time. Artemisia! As annoying as this was, I have to admit, you fought valiantly. But now, you'll fall by my own hand!
Admission credentials, check. Uniform, check. Guidelines, check. Mobile suit cockpit regulations, check. Don't worry. I'm sure everything's gonna work out, Ariel.
Ara, the one standing before you, is a great mage who's lived for over 1,000. For your... Ara, kill yourself.
Listen up, you guys. We need to be more unified. If we don't pass these exams, we'll risk losing any shot at becoming ghost hunters. Now, let's work together.
Man, talk about pathetic. I got totally played. The Foundation was just supposed to be doing a little support work. And the next thing I knew, I was being framed for terrorism. My name was cleared. But it's not like things can just go back to the way they were. Since then, my reason for fighting has been totally flipped on its head.